Irish Thoroughbred Marketing is a subsidiary of Horse Racing Ireland. We're funded by the government and the Irish Bloodstock industry. Our principal role is to promote Irish Thoroughbreds internationally. We operate in over 34 countries, so we do, either having a physical presence there ourselves throughout the year or from them coming visiting us. We've 5 people based here in Ireland, and we've a representative in the US, a representative in Europe and a representative in Asia. ITM are working tirelessly to bring in those international investors, those international buyers to the marketplace. Our aim is to make their ability to do business in Ireland as easy and as stress-free as possible. The Irish Thoroughbred Marketing offices within the building here at Horse Racing Ireland, it does be a hive of activity, particularly around sales period. The guys are constantly monitoring reports, looking at racing results and taking every bit of information we can get to promote Irish success, both of the trainers, the jockeys, the horses. We're constantly liaising with ambassadors around the world and governments internationally. The Irish bloodstock industry, it generates between 16,000 and 17,000 jobs here in Ireland. Our exports are up, our bloodstock sales are up. We've had 4 years of increase, and the quality that the breeders are producing and that the auction houses here in Ireland are putting through the sales ring is phenomenal. With that calibre going out around the world, it makes our job easy to attract international investment. The Irish horses have a super reputation abroad. They're winning races from England, mainland, Europe. Been very prolific in Hong Kong, the Irish bred horses this year. And then as far afield as Australia, when the first 7 home in the Melbourne Cup were all Irish bred horses. So we have a wonderful reputation. It's a reputation that needs to be maintained and needs to be highlighted time and time again in order to keep our foothold at the top of the ladder.